What is the unit of force? Option A. Newton. What is the process by which plants make their own food? Option B. Photosynthesis. What is the largest part of the human brain? Option A. Cerebrum. What is the pH of neutral water? Option B. 7. What is the symbol for gold? Option B. AU. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? Option B. Ribosome. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Option C. Jupiter. What is the process by which water moves through a plant? Option B. Transpiration. Which scientist developed the theory of evolution? Option A. Charles Darwin. Which type of rock is formed from the molten lava? Option A. Igneous rock. What is the scientific term for the building block of life? Option A. Cell. What is the unit of energy? Option A. Joule. Which type of wave require a medium to propagate? Option B. Mechanical wave. What is the symbol for oxygen? Option A. O. Which part of the plant is responsible for absorbing water and minerals? Option A. Roots. What is the process by which cell becomes specialized? Option C. Differentiation. What is the process by which atom gain or lose electron? Option A. Ionization. What is the largest mammal on earth? Option A. Blue whale. Which planet is closest to the sun? Option A. Mercury. Which type of bond involves the sharing of electron? Option B. Covalent bond. What is the scientific term for the study of the structure of the earth? Option A. Geology.